Okay, so we've got everything zeroed in here. We've got the piece of Bio Acetate. This is from LAES, an Italian company. They compete with Mazzucchelli, who's the other big acetate producer, who also makes a form of biodegradable acetate called M49. This is called BioCell. This is, once again, LAES's version of the Bio Acetate. Okay, we're going to turn on our spindle, and we're cranking out 24,000 rotations per minute. Okay, we've got everything set up, so we're going to hit the go button over here on the control software. Okay, so we're going to cut the recess real quick. We're going to go over to the right side. And this last pass is going to clean the outer edges of those two cuts. Sometimes the tip gets a little plugged up. I like to keep my tip clean. Okay, now we're cutting the holes. Not a new tip, so just gathering a little material. Those are the holes where our screws go through. And we are done. Cycle finished. Okay, now if we've done everything right, this temple should fit inside these recesses. Moment of truth. Let's see what we got. This has been proven before, so we know we're going to fit pretty well. Okay, you can see that's essentially it's fitting in there, and we know we've done our hinge recesses correctly, or the the CAD file was everything's to size. But we've already proven and double checked this before on when we built the complete collection of frames. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, here we are at the 2mm tip. Now we're going to cut out the lens area and the outer rim of the frame, and we're pretty much done CNC routing this piece. So let's get it going. And away we go. Start with lenses. We're not going real fast. We kind of want to show what this does. Okay, this is our outer rim. Speed up these last two passes. Okay, let's get a little closer look at this cut. And we're looking pretty good. Okay, so we have our piece here. We're going to just press it out of the excess acetate, which we will use for something else, earrings or rings. These get turned into something. We try to use as much acetate as we can before we recycle the small pieces. Okay. There it is. Okay, this next step is a hand process. We're going to put in the bevel that holds the lens really quick, really easy. And that's all she wrote. She's all set. Now we're gonna find the frame, we're gonna tumble it, we're gonna shape it, and we're almost done.